Hey guys, this is Zach. Just want to make a quick, quick course review real quick. Jordan's courses from his Buy 9 to 5 channel, they're awesome. I've gone through most of them, well, the ones that I'm dealing with in regards to YouTube anyways. I actually got the 4-course bundle back when he had that on sale. It's actually a really good deal. As you can see, I've completed everything throughout in its entirety on the YouTube end. And I mean, I just recommend that everybody get it. The value for this is amazing. I see other, YouTubers and other influencers online that are selling this stuff for up to like, $500 plus, somewhere close to the thousands specifically. And that's just ridiculous. He just has everything organized in a perfect way. So that way, everything's clear and concise for you. It's not really, being a run around for you. So yeah, check it out.